the students of standard 7. Now we will solve one example of area. First we will see two formulae. First, to find area of square, and second formula to find area of rectangle. Now first formula is area of square equal to side into side is equal to side square. Second formula is area of rectangle equal to length into breadth or equal to L into B. L for length, B for breadth. Now example is a rectangular garden is 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. A 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary using tiles 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter in size. How many such tiles will be required? We have to find number of tiles to make a road or path inside the garden. Now solution is, now here is a figure. This outside border is showing garden. Now length of the garden is 40 meter and breadth of the garden is 30 meter. Now along its boundary we have to make here one path with paving blocks. Now width of the path is 2 meter here, 2 meter here is everywhere it is 2 meter, this side also. So width of the path is 2 meter. Now here we are getting inside one more rectangle. Now find out its length. Now length of the inside rectangle is 36 meter. Why? Because length of the garden is 40 meter and from both sides 2 meter we have to leave for path. So length of the inside rectangle is 40 minus this 2 meter and this 2 meter. 2 plus 2 4. 40 minus 4 is 36 meter. Same way here, breadth of the inside rectangle. Now from both sides 2 meter, 2 meter, width of the road is there. Now subtract 2 plus 2, 4 meter from 30 meter. Then we will get 26 meter. So length of the inside rectangle is 36 meter and breadth of inside rectangle is 26 meter. Now find area of rectangle first, then area of here path and area of inside part. Now area of garden equal to length into breadth equal to length of the garden is 40 and breadth of garden is 30. So 40 into 30 equal to 1200 square meter. This is the area of garden. Now we have to find area not to be paved, means area of inside part, inside rectangle equal to L into B. Now length of inside rectangle is 36 and breadth of inside rectangle is 26. So equal to 36 into 26. Now 36 into 26 is equal to 936 square meter. Then find out area to be paved or area of path. Now area to be paved, this border, its area means area of garden minus area of inside rectangle equal to 1200 minus 936 is equal to 264 square meter. This much area we have paved. Then for this paving we have to use tiles. Now length of tile is 25 centimeter and breadth of tile is 20 centimeter. But area is in meter, square meter. So we have to convert centimeters into meters. 25 centimeter is equal to 25 upon 100 meter, and here 20 centimeter is 20 upon 100 meter. Then find area of each tile by using formula L into B. Length is 25 upon 100 into breadth is 20 upon 100. Now simplify it. 25 ones are 25 fours are, here 20 ones are 25s are, equal to 1 into 1 1, and here 4 into 5 20, so equal to 1 upon 20 square meter. Now number of tiles is equal to total area upon area of one tile. Area to be paved, it is 264, so equal to 264 upon area of one tile 1 upon 20. Now division means multiplication by reciprocal, so equal to 264 into 20 upon 1. 20 upon 1 means 20, so equal to 264 into 20. This multiplication is 5280. So number of tiles equal to 5280. Therefore the answer is 5280 tiles will be required for paving. Solve this example in your maths notebook.